last time we did this, I made sure about it. It smells like it.
Yeah, see that rubber band.
Yeah, this rubber band is kind of tailed. That's why it stinks. I don't know, probably.
It doesn't smell. Right now.
So yeah, let's just turn on.
If you turn it down, it smells already.
Okay, bro. This is gonna be so rad. Okay. I'll see you when it's turned on. Yeah. Hey, what up? Okay. Oh! Yeah. Hell no, that stinks. That stinks like shit. That stinks like shit, bro. Nah! Don't turn that thing on, bro.
It kind of smells over here.
Let me smell. Oh no! Bro.
I got
No,
it put
bro.
on the table so I can see what it's doing.
Let me be inside a Corvette real quick. Let me go inside a Corvette. Carbon fiber. Okay. Okay. Huge. Okay. This is inside a Corvette. Looks pretty cool. The back looks pretty good. Engine there. Pretty cool. Yeah. And this is how you open it. So, yeah. So, what?
Look, it's floating. It's floating.
What the? What is this? Oh, yeah.
Ooh, that stinks. Get this back.
Go next to it. Go to next to it.
Hey, don't. Wait, let me make it float again.
Okay, turn on now.
Wait, no, wait. Not yet, not yet. Not yet. I didn't place my camera.
Oh, man. Yeah. Okay. What the fuzz? What the fuzz? What the fuzz, bro? What the fuzz, bro? What the fuzz, bro? Bro, I'm never smelling those. Nope. I'm out. Bye, guys. Like and sub, but you don't have to. But bye. Bye.